Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you a very quick and simple way how you can invite guests to your workspace in Notion, not as a full privileged member, but as a guest, for example. So there's a difference in the visibility status and accessibility status for members and guests. So let me show you really quickly how to do that, guys. All you will need to do is head over to your Notion workspace, make sure that you're logged in with your associated account. And after that, click on that arrow down icon next to your workspace name in the top left corner and select settings from that menu. Here to the left, here inside your workspace settings, head over to people there. And here you may switch between categories like members, groups, contacts, guests, and so on and so forth. So obviously you want to switch to guests, for example, if you'd like to add people to that list. And what you want to do after that is simply click on that button here, import contacts, to invite them, for example, from your Google contact list or from your team member list from Slack. And that's basically it. After that, Slack or Google will ask you, for example, to log into your associated account and to give it the permission to import contacts from your Slack or Google contact list here into your guest list on Notion, and these guests will then be notified via email or other notifications in the given application to either accept or to deny or decline your invitation as guests to your Notion workspace. And that's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.